In the previous video, we have seen the present tense. I have given you one chart also. You have done that chart also, maybe, and homework also uploaded. That homework also may be done by you. I hope so. Now, in this video, we will see the past tense and the future tense. Past tense, what is past tense? The action which has been done in the past. Past tense expresses action, activity, and state of being in the past. That is the action which is in the past. Now, simple past tense. Simple past tense expresses the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. That is the started and finish in the specific time in the past only. That is the example is given: Henry arrived at the airport. Now there are three forms are there in the past tense. We have read in the present also: positive form, negative form, and the interrogative. Suppose a sentence is given, she played, then the negative will be she did not play, not played. Okay, interrogative: did she play? That is the what is the rule is there: did plus the first form of the verb, and in this when with the did we are using the first form of the verb, and in the simple past tense the second form of the verb is being used. Henry arrived. Henry arrived is not written, arrived is written. Okay, I finished my lunch, went to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Finished, went, found, these are all the second form of the verb is there. What is the first form of finish? Finish. Went, go. Find, like this. Richard studied astronautical engineering for 3 years. For the 3 years he has studied. There is uh, one graph is being given, that is the past tense action which has been done. Engineering he has done in the past. Eric was shy as a child, but now he is very outgoing. Was shy, now he is very outgoing. Another more example is been given about the dinosaur also. Now these are the some examples of the past continuous tense. What is past continuous? Past continuous means the action which has been going and which has been in the process, which is in the progress. That is the past action that was in the progress at some point and over in the period of the past. The past continuous indicate that longer action in the past was interrupted. The interruption is usually a shorter action in the simple past. What is the rule for the past continuous? Was, were plus ing form of the verb. Subject plus was, were plus ing form of the verb. We is what? Subject. Were is what? A verb. Driving is that ing form. We were driving through the desert when our car suddenly broke down. Okay, this is the, you can see the picture also, suddenly broke down. When I walked into the office, several people all were busily typing, some were talking on the phones, the boss was yelling, and the customer waiting to be helped. Now this is the past continuous tense. That is what is past continuous action which is in the progress in the past. What is the rule is there? Subject plus verb plus ing form of the verb. Next comes the past perfect tense. What is past for perfect tense? That is the action which is been started. Now it is been completed at a specific period of time. That is the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense expresses the idea that something occurred before another action. In the past, it can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. That is what is the rule is there: subject plus a had plus third form of the verb. Had visited. Tony knew Stenball so well because he had visited the city several times. You can see that one picture is there. Then another is been given present, past and future. The arrow is been given. By that arrow also you can come to know what is the past tense and what is the future tense. They felt bad about selling the house because they had owned for more than 40 years. Own it for more than 40 years. That is they are owned 40 years, more than it is for 40 years been there. Now in the positive, if you want to change that sentence, that is they had played, they had not played, then had they played. These are the some examples are there. Past perfect tense, action completed before a given moment in the past. They had finished the interview by 11:30. They had switched off the television before I went to sleep. That is the what is that? Past perfect tense. Now comes the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense show that something started in the past and continued by up until another time in the past. James had been teaching at the university for more than a year before he left for Asia. What is the rule is the subject. James is the subject, had is the verb, had been is the verb, then teaching is the verb. Okay, helping verb. That is had been teaching, ing form of the verb. Subject plus had been plus ing form of the verb is being used in the past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect continuous tense? That is action started in the past and it is been continued. Teaching at the university for more than before he left for Asia. That is the past perfect continuous tense. Another example is she had been sleeping for 2 hours when I reached her house. Past perfect continuous tense expresses an action which began before a definite moment in the past, had continued up to that moment and still in the progress. That is the action which is been still in the progress. That is known as the past perfect tense. Now we come to the next thing is the topic is the future tense. What is future tense? That is the action expresses the action, activity and state of being in the future. That is action which is been in the future. Simple future tense. Simple future tense has two different forms in English, will and be going to. Both will be a going to refer to a specific time in the future. Now what is the rule for the future tense? Will, shall plus root form of the verb. Suppose the sentence is given in the positive is there. We shall play. I shall play. Then he or she, that is will play. Negative. I will not play. Interrogative. Will I play? Like this. And what is the short form is that will not, shall not, like this. Okay. These are the now one example. Another example, if I am elected president of the United States, I will make sure everyone has access to inexpensive health insurance. That is the example is being given. Now going to form be plus be going to plus the root form of the verb is being used. We use going to form if we have decided to do something. What is going to form when we are using? When we decided to do something, or if we intend to doing something in the near future. The chief minister says that the government is going to increase the frequency of the metro trains. That is the decision is there. Okay. Next is the We use to form to predict a future event. Future event if there is a clear indication or evidence is there. Look at those thick dark clouds. It is going to rain. Now going to is what? Decision, intention or indication. Will and shall is what? Decision at the moment of speaking. No earlier intention or indication is there. Will and shall, decision at the moment of speaking. No earlier intention or indication is there. We use will to express the speaker's view, to offer to do something, to promise to do something, to ask somebody or to something. And shall we use in the that is in the modern English, that is shall I, shall we, use to offer or suggestion. That is offer or suggestion is there, that time we are using. Shall I get you a glass of water? Okay. Now next comes the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense expresses the idea that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. You are going to have perfected your Chinese by the time you come back from China. That is, what is the rule is there for the future perfect tense? Will have plus third form of the verb. Will have plus will shall have plus the third form of the verb is being used. That is action which will have been completed before a given time in the future. What is that? Action will have been completed before a given time in the future. I will have revised all the lesson by Saturday. The gardener will have trimmed all the plants by this evening. That is, the period of time is been given, before that the work will be done in the future. Next come the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense have different forms: will be doing, be going to be doing. I am going to be staying at the Medicine Hotel if anything happened and you need to contact me. At midnight tonight we will still be driving through the desert. Tonight they will be eating dinner, discussing their plans and having a good time. When I arrive at the party, everybody is going to be celebrating. Some will be dancing, others are going to talking, a few people will be eating pizza, several people are going to be drinking beer. They always do the same. These are some of the examples of the future continuous tense. What is the rule is there? Will, shall be plus ing form of the verb. Next come the future perfect continuous tense. Has two different forms: will have been and be going to have been. She is going to have been working at the company for 3 years when it finally closes. Florence English will be perfect when the returns to Germany, because he is going to have been studying English in the United States for 2 years. That is the future perfect continuous tense. What is the rule is there? Shall, will have been plus ing form of the verb. Now another one more note is there. Future perfect tense denotes continuous action. Continuous. But while future perfect tense denotes a complete action. Perfect means complete and continuous means that is the continuous action is there. You have to do the exercises which is given in your book. Complete that and write the definition in your class copy. You have to divide one copy into 2 parts. First half is for the literature, second half is for writing skill and the grammar. In that you write the definitions and do the exercises which is given in your book. Then another homework also will be given in your portal. Thank you.